just followed it to the letter exactly the way that they said to use it, even though that was different than the way I've used products in the past. And I'll be honest with you, the results were fantastic.
I wouldn't be where I am today without God and that TNB from the beard struggle. You know what I'm saying?
The beard struggle products, never leave home without them. Keep that beard smooth and sexy.
This is Tony, and of course the Duchess, here with the Beard Struggle. Just a little friendly reminder, if you're looking for a stronger, healthier, and better looking beard, start your day off every day with the Beard Struggle Beard Balm.
A little over a year ago, I started in with the Beard Struggle. And I mean, I wouldn't look back for anything. They make a good quality product.
In terms of the consistency, the competitors